You will love the features of this 2022 Porsche Cayenne. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a superbly crafted athletic Cayenne that brings luxurious comfort, muscular power, all-wheel drive capability, and exquisite driving dynamics to every adventure. Indulge your passion for motorsport performance wherever the road may lead in this stunning SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, backup camera, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel ABS. Transition seamlessly from serene cruising to feisty back-road frolicking in this multi-talented Cayenne. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.